Hey folks, welcome back to Adventures in Nodland, where I don't know, I talk about my the way I code stuff for Node. So I don't know, I'm so happy to be back here. First thing first, let's do while you start joining, let's do a little bit of promotion and start doing a tweet as usual. And so let's do that. I don't know. How are you doing today? I don't know. Anybody joined yet? Yeah, here we go. Here we go. So this is a fun time because it's half an hour later compared to most of the times that I have been streaming. Essentially, I have some very nice and friendly competition out there. There is Prime and a few others that are big in code streaming. So I don't expect much attendance today. We'll see. So let's do a little bit of a tweet. Okay. I'm going live on Twitch streaming, fixing some bugs in Platformatic for some to learn. Or CLI. Here we go. Okay, and share now. It's out. Okay. Oh, hi, folks. Somebody joined. Hello. Okay. So, okay. So, what are we going to do today? As I said, we are going to work on okay. So we are going to work on Platformatic Prime, and we are going to start by showing a problem that I've noticed. Now, the problem that I have noticed here, it's the fact that it says there are cyclic package dependencies. Now, this is bad, okay? Super bad. What can we do to improve this, okay? And we need to remove those things. And I don't know how we end up in that situation. So, okay. So first thing first, let's find out what commit introduced the problem, okay? And I'm trying to go back in time. And we are going to do a git bisect, okay? Do you know what a git bisect is? It's phenomenal, okay? So a git bisect is one of the most funny things. So we need to verify if this is actually good or bad. So let's see. Okay, this is good. Cool. So we have a starting commit. So in order to do a git bisect, you need two things. You need a good commit and a bad commit. Okay. So let's take some notes. So to do a git bisect, we need a good commit and a bad commit. And our good commit is everything was working back then. And let's do scratch pad. Okay. Okay, so we have a bad commit. So now you go back to main, to head, okay? and we have update this. Okay. I understand now. So I understand something that I didn't know. So it's actually possible to configure and customize the notification that you receive when I go online. It's fun. Okay, I didn't know that, and I should probably tweak it because it's something that should seems to be good. Anyway, so this run, okay. So now we do git bisect dash dash interactive, okay, and it tells us that we need to do a start, okay, and git help bisect, and it's yeah, git start, okay, and you want a bad commit to begin with, and then a good commit, okay. So let's do git bisect start. Once it, as I said, what did I say? Once a bad commit first. So start. It wants our bad commit. Okay. So we have done that. We have our bad commit. Then we want the good commit, which is head, and it's and oh, sorry, what is it? So this is our, oh yeah, I did I made a mistake here. So it's the, this is the bad and that's the good one. Okay. Okay, we are here. And so, okay, let's run pmpmi, and this is good. So git bisect good. Git bisect bad. This is good. Okay. This is good. Ooh. This is good. Huh? Ooh. Okay, which one was the problem? Oh, look at who was the author. So apparently, a guy called Matteo Collina correctly or incorrectly messed up, and it created quite a bit of a problem in itself, because it's our git bisect is pointing out that this commit actually introduced a problem. So here it's, this is the offending commit, and this is the PR, which is 778. So if we go here, okay, so pull requests, pulls 778. Here we go. So it's 778, ensure platformatic always generate valid config, and that's what messed it up. So apparently this PR created the loop. So let's see where it created the loop, because I don't know. Oh, sorry. Are we sure? Did he create the loop? Did he? Sorry, here. I don't think it will. It should be. I don't think it should have created the loop. No, in fact, it didn't. Didn't. Oh, I did. I probably made a mess. Okay. No. Wrong. Git bisect reset. Okay. Restart. Yep. Okay. Let's restart it. This is good. Okay. And this is bad. Okay. This is good. Okay. Okay. This is good. This is good. It seems to tell me this commit introduced it. So weird. Okay. This makes no sense, but let's see. This is the parent. So, okay. So these worked. Okay. 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 This one seems as bad. It's a bad one. But how it's possible that this commit introduced the loop? Like, how? How? It's probably it's this shoe. It's this freaking shoe in create-platformatic. Really? Ha! Yes. Because, okay, I know what to do here. Okay, first of all, let's do, hello, hi, folks. We have done quite a bit of we are trying to fix a problem a bug in Platformatic that is causing. We have a loop dependency and circular dependencies. So first and foremost, first of all let's add a CI job so that it's. Let's see if I can error on circular dependencies on npm because I don't want them, and this is pretty bad. So configuration, pm workspaces, no, can't do that. And here, can't do that. And here maybe, no. No, it doesn't. No, I don't have my stuff. So this is fun. Okay, circular links. What's leaking the secret code? What secret code back on 911? Okay. Prevent secret dependencies. Ooh. Core compatibility. Sorry, I don't understand what's the problem. All this code is open source. So happy to be open source. We are an open source company. So hello, hi folks. I XD workspace. Hello, a lot of people joining. Very interesting. So currently trying to fix a circular reference across my monorepo. I don't like it. So, okay, I think I can do... okay, this is passed. Okay, if in here... Oh, no, I can take question all the time. Happy to take question all the time. So, and I can just do... negative grep. How I can navigate in match lines. Dash V. Ooh, okay. And yay! I have also a Fastify T-shirt, folks. You know, come on. So we have done the fetching. Nice. Yeah. Okay. So I am solving a very silly bug. I introduced a circular dependency inside my monorepo that I want to get rid of. This is what I'm doing right now. Very mundane task. Okay, so let's do... Yay, I would do that. Okay, production, this is good. Then we do a name, circular dependency check, and I need to run and so I'm doing pm install and redirecting this into out, and then I need sorry, let me try this. So if I do pm install grep-v circular, what does it say? Yeah, didn't work. Cyclic, not circular. Okay. I'm fixing a cyclic dependencies. Yeah. Okay. Do you know what the ampersand this symbol do? This is I'm redirecting both standard output and standard error on the same to the same output. So I don't know what this is look like. Yay, perfect. It's writing things out. So it is a good question. How do you approach reading other people's code like big open source repos? I don't know. I just open the code. I typically find the entry point and go down from the entry point further. So, and that's it really. From the outside in. That's how I do it. Okay, interesting. Okay. No, I didn't want that. So I want to grab cat out. So grab cyclic out. Okay. Oh, cyclic. Okay. And yeah. So that is 0. Yep. And then if there's nothing, it will be because it has matched. If I'm doing grep cyclic cat readme pipe grep readme.md echo 1. Perfect. So if it's matching, it's passing. So I just need to do then. Okay, so I just need npm install out. Then we need cat out pipe grep cyclic and exit 1. So if this is 0 exit 0, then this exit 1 and this would fail. Okay, so prevent cyclic deps. Oh yeah. Prevent cyclic deps. Okay, so let's run this now. Let's see if this my action GitHub action fails. Oh, what's for dinner? I think some salmon. Oh, hi folks. I'm just literally fixing some bugs on Platformatic. We're doing launch weeks next week, and I have some bugs to fix. The first one is this cyclic dependency. So first of all, I've added a GitHub action to detect if there is actually indeed a cyclic dependency. So, and yeah, but it didn't run because I've modified just. Yeah, I did this. I detected that before adding the check. No, I found it out that I had a cyclic dependency, and then I'm just adding a test so that I can't. Yeah. So these and path ignore. So this should run. Why it's not running? Oh, seems there is. Oh, 407. What bad stuff I've done? And well, I can do a one-liner. Well, technically, I could, and so okay, just a second. Redirect std to std out is 2 and 1. Okay, so I could do. Okay, I could just remove this file. Even better, even more elegant. Okay, and then this should work. Let's test it. Didn't work. Ah, yeah, but it needs to finish. Yeah, well, not as expected, but yeah, thinks it's working fine. Tail one, no, that worked. This is, I think that's solid. Ah. Okay, let's try this and see if it does work indeed. Seems it's running. Oh, oh yeah. Grab tail dot. Would it work? So let's try. So pm install pipe grep cyclic. So we need pm install to. Okay, and one grep cyclic tail one. It's minus n1. I'm on Mac. Yeah. Doesn't seems to work. Let's see if I can. No, I cannot truncate. I can still wait for the first command to finish. You see, still wait for the first command to finish, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so I think this will give me the stuff. Then we need to find a way to fix the bug, because right now we will just these will just detect it, so I won't regress. I hate Windows. It's a bane of my life. Do you like programming on Windows? How many of you use Windows for the main software development platform? So I love PMPM, by the way. Yay. Hopefully. So in the meanwhile, while we are looking at that, the problem is a feature that I'm going to yank. So I'm going to just remove a command here that I don't think we need anymore, and scold init, and I'm just dropping it from the face of the earth. It's already included, so I'm just not doing anything specific here. And I dropped init test CLI init. I'm just removing it, yanking features. Okay, so if I'm doing and then because I've done that, I can actually remove sorry, maybe I understood it wrong. Okay, let's see how dependency check is running here. Oh yeah, that's the reason. It's sure the reason. Okay, but how create-platformatic? Yeah, okay. How is even possible? Oh yeah, create-platformatic. It is. Okay, removed. Okay, so let's see if my test is failing. Yay! Worst process exit 1. Okay, great. So now let's see if push d packages db and pm test. Well, let's see if the test still pass here. Oh yeah. Before that, I need to run a pmi, and this has resolved the problem, which I'm very happy. Do you like the music? Yay. Pretty much, right? It's very, I really like coding with music and doing stuff with music. So cool. Okay. Now pm test. If those tests passes, we are grand. We're going to open up ER, essentially. That fixes this. And we also added a test to guarantee the regression, to avoid regressions. So pretty great, right? And seems pretty good. Cool. It's running. Once at some point I need to do something to make this. Ooh, what is happened? Ooh, sorry. What? It's still. Oh, okay. Dropped it. Let's see if it passes. So in just the time I started streaming, um, yeah, it's failing now. Cannot find module. Okay. Oh, db.mjs. So where is it? Okay. Have you got any questions? Any of you have tried Platformatic before? If you don't know what to do tomorrow, you could join. I'm doing a live panel with my friends at this.media, and we are talking about the state of Node. These will be with Beth Griggs, James Nell, Michael, and Tracy. Michael Dawson and Tracy. Little bit of promotion talk. Yay. If you want to join, that's a good one. Hey, Julius from Lithuania. It's Lithuania, right? Does this pronounce it correctly? Yes. Great. How is it in Lithuania today? Sunny. This is what in Italy was very much raining today. It seems it's passing things. Ah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Click, help, test. What was failing? Okay. Why this was failing? Oh, yeah. Yay, we have yanked this. Hopefully it will work. Okay. It seems it's passing. Takes forever. This test suite, it's super long. Dealing with databases is very hard. I don't know why I created a project called Platformatic DB that wraps the database. I could have just wrapped AI services, maybe. I don't know. Anyway. Seems it's passing. Do you accurate all choice related to the monorepo? How do you feel about it? Are you happy? Just a question. It's actually a very good question, Alevo. It's I'm not. I am happy with PMPM. I would say it's probably the only tool. It's also the only tool that was at the features that I needed to ship this. So I didn't have much of a choice. And the team at NPM still does not offer this kind of functionality. So I'm not the functionality that I need, which I don't understand how people can use it for anything but a toy project to maintain a monorepo. But this is a tool that is built to build monorepo application with monorepos, and it does it beautifully. I have to say, beautiful. So yeah, I'm happy. Here we go. It's running. Okay, so I can just, while that runs, I can just do yank plt db init command. Okay. Here we go. It's uploading. Okay. So it seems this bug is done. Okay. It seems. Oh, yeah. Okay. It seems it's done. Let's ask Marco. I'm calling to review. Okay. So, yay, it's running. Okay. So there is another thing that I need to do today, which is prompt a user if a readme.md file already exists in the project. So let's do this. Ooh, no, I failed. I failed. I need still to work on the stuff. Yeah. I did fail because it's 178, 171 are not covered. In gen types. Let's skip those three. They are covered elsewhere anyway. Okay. I'm tired, folks. I've been working on a PR all day. Well, also last week, most of last week, and it has been very complicated to get it landed. And it's this service-to-service client PR. We just create a client that you can build, call another platformatic service. But as you can see, okay, CI is on a very bad state of red. Oh yeah, this one is actually wrong. Cool. Maybe after that we can work on my main stuff. Okay. Yeah, you like it's Twitch soundtrack. It's cool, right? The music is Twitch soundtrack. Okay. Okay. So I've removed that command. This should pass. Okay. Okay. Here we go. So this is all passing. Okay. So here I have already pushed. This is running here. Italy. All this should become green soon. So this can land. Okay. Hello. Hi, Miguel. How are you doing tonight? Or today? Or today might be morning where you are. I don't know. Okay. So the next issue that we are going to work is in the tracker, and which is this one 782. Create platformatic prompt if a user has a readme file, the MD file already exists in project directory. So basically, when we run create platformatic, we create a readme file, but only if the current one does not exist. Whoa, Spain is the same time zone where we are, and you consider it afternoon? Like, I don't know, it's evening or something already here. I'm actually really tired this evening for some reason. Don't seem to be able to keep my eyes open, essentially. But let's try. And here we go. Okay, prompt a user if a readme MD file already exists in project directory. Okay. Okay. Git pull. Okay. Yeah, here. Just look, found skipping creation of readme file. Okay, so we need to ask inquirer asking okay. Good night, good evening. I don't know. Ah. Um, existing tools. I saw you try. So Julius from Lithuania is asking. I saw you tried Neon. What do you think is worth using for CI tests? Whatever works. You really need a database to run your tests. So whatever works for you. Neon seems a good choice. Okay. Is readme exist? Not is readme exist. So let if is readme exist, we can just do and then if is readme, this should replace. Okay. Then if it still does, if it still does, let's hello Iago Calazanas. And sorry, made a mistake here. Okay. Is readme exist? Okay. Ah, okay. Running PnPM tests. Okay. Sorry. This got trapped in the chair. Oh, the last one. Oh, why it's complaining now? DB, create DB test. Okay. Okay. No, it's not. I put it relative path instead of result path. Come on. Okay. Okay. Where is the failure? Line 44 on the test. What are the error? Additional properties plugin. What mistake have I done? Maybe it's in this. Okay. What the heck am I doing? Additional property plugin. Okay, this is a big config. A big question. It didn't pass. Create service with TypeScript. Yeah, I think what happened is that two commits overlapped. Must not have, so here. Yeah. Let's see what's in there. Yeah, it's wrong. It's just wrong. So, okay. Okay, time there. Okay. So create service failed. Yeah. Yeah, this is plugins. This needs to be an object. It's paths. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Plugins. $62. Okay. And okay. Then 79. Okay. 95. Okay. No. Plugins undefined. Why don't I get any type linting error for those? this is a big question. Why it's complaining with a console log here? And yeah, here we go. Oh, yeah, because there's none. It's JavaScript, not TypeScript. Okay. Okay, and so we wanted to make this change here, and okay, so I started this journey, wanted to make a change here in the CLI, asking this one. Yeah. Okay. Today there. This is already there. Oh yeah, but I implemented it. Yeah, that's why. Sorry, I fell dumb. Okay, so let is readme exist. Okay, and we need the same logic here. This is, yeah, don't repeat yourself. Not really. Okay, so yes, Execa works. So do you prefer Execa over child process? Yes. Execa provides a much async await interface, and on top of that, it moves correctly the environment variables for tracking code coverage. So that's more or less the reason why I use Execa. Okay, so let's try this. Hello, Liran. Oh. Okay. And then I need create-platformatic. So touch readme.md. Let's run create-platformatic. Yeah, DB. Here. Do you want to create it for me? Yes. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Amazing. Okay. Hey. Okay. And if I run create-platformatic again, okay, I want to use service here. I want to run npm install. No. Use TypeScript. Yes. Yes. Ah, this didn't ask me to rewrite this. So let's try it again. Service. No. Yes. Yes. Yeah, didn't work. Okay. create service clean. Why it's not asking it to me? Yeah, this is so service here. No, no, yes. Okay. Okay. So it's printing my. It's yeah. Okay. Yeah. I need this block. So here, if it does not exist, okay. If I run this service here, no, no, and it did not ask it to me again. So okay, is sure replace. Okay, retry. Let's try again. Oh, oh yes, thank you. Thank you. That was a level. That was. I'm tired. I'm becoming sloppy. And here you go. Yes. Yes. Great. This seems amazing. Okay. So. Okay. Git checkout dash b. Overwrite. Readme. Ask the user to overwrite the readme in create-platformatic. Okay. This is pushing it up. And here, let's look at my cyclic dependency. Ooh, didn't work. Let's see. Oh. This did not work as I intended. Because these always exit with 1. So exit 0, okay. Okay, need to fix this. Let's open a PR for that and go back to, okay. Let's task this to Marco. And fixes and prevent readme, what's the name? Override. No. This is 782. 782. Okay. 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 This is done. Let's go back to our other PR now that CI told us that we didn't do a good job with this. Okay. So, okay. we want to, okay, let's try it again. Git checkout main. Okay, so if I do pmpmi, here is going to me. Yep, cool. So let's do cat cyclic pipe grep cyclic. This is what we need to do. Okay, no, echo cyclic. Okay, let's grep cyclic and okay, I just want it to go to dev null. I don't care about the output, but I want to test. And if if I remove cyclic, let's do okay. So that might do the trick. Yeah. Okay. So this is the PR. What's the PR number? Cyclic dependency 802, prevent cyclic deps. So git checkout. Okay. Should I invert the exit code? Why should I invert the exit code? Okay. And if match is 1, if not, match should be 0. So, but the grep is okay. So if so, this is matching. Okay. If so, this is so this is matching, and if it's matching, it's 0. Okay. And it's passing, which is not good. Okay. So yeah, you are probably right. So I need to match if, so this is neck 0. Okay. Oh, it's not neck, as is NQ. Okay. NE. Okay. Cool. So so if this is, so this terminates with 1 if it's matching. If it's not matching, it terminates with 0. Yep, this makes more sense. Yep, you are right. And it's an E. So not equal 0. Okay, let's try it. Okay. Cool. We've done some bash. We've done a lot of things in this stream that we don't usually do. Well, more or less. We always do a lot of GitHub actions apparently in these streams. For some reason, it's what I do all day, every day. GitHub actions and Windows. I don't know. At some point, I probably need to stream me developing this thing on Windows, like fixing Windows bugs. What's my setup for Windows development? Well, node modules development on Windows. Oh, yeah. So I have been doing Linux sysadmin and maintenance since I was a teenager. So yeah, I know I know. I can move myself around all the DevOps tool suite, to be honest. I'm not great at it, and I can get things done. And it's, yay. It's fun. I'm more of a sysadmin SRE type of skill set, to be honest. But I usually don't talk or stream about them. Yeah, you see, has been doing a lot of that stuff. So I have a good feeling, Liran, that we hung out in very similar circles when we were teenagers, online on ERC and some certain stuff. I have this good feeling about it. Okay, I don't know. Yay, it passed. No doubt, buddy. Yeah, I have that feeling. Yeah, look, it's here we go. Cool. This is nice. Okay, this is passing. Tests are passing for this. So, okay. Should you test it? This ask user to overwrite. So we don't have any of those tests for Inquirer. This Inquirer prompt. Do you know how we can write those tests? Because I don't really have a good clue on how to write the test for Inquirer. So I really want to write them. I just don't know how. Oh, yeah. That doesn't seem like using process TDD right to answer those questions doesn't seem like a good option. But yeah, sure, why not? We might just start writing them. But now these files are complete black box. Like 1 and 2 are not tested at all. They are not small files either. Like, look at it. It's actually like, I don't know, it's 172 line of code. You joke? Oh, you know, I almost. Yay, let's see. Okay. And, okay, let's poke people randomly and see if they can test this for me. Where is it? One. I'm writing message to Slack so that I can get the reviews. So yeah. Let's see if we can get them. Yeah, like, yes. Maybe. Inquirer. Let's look at Inquirer on NPM. And here we go on Inquirer on NPM. And yeah. By the way, this tool is super nice. It has unit tests. So let's see how they write the unit test for this tool. Now, when I do this kind of stuff, typically it's the moment when I stop using the tools. So let's see. So first of all, let's say that I really don't like the fact that there's a jest folder here. Like, big no. Okay. Yeah. What? Use state? Oh, they did. They are using a very interesting React hook style pattern. Yeah, like don't do that. Look, it seems that in fact we could really use a writable to get the things going. Let's see, documentation. And required to run in. Okay. Yep. Oh. Yeah. Um. I don't know. It's I. It's using just. So okay, it is the problem. It doesn't seem this supports nicely. Created unit tests like let's see if like this guy are testing it somehow. Tests. Okay. Let's see. How are they testing this? Oh, sign on. What is type? Like, it is a problem, folks. You have an amazing library that it's actually hard for people to write unit tests for. I like writing tests for a component should be the starting point. I Do you know another good library like this to do ask prompts that don't have this weird behavior of how to um okay, let me see if there tests. And oh yeah, it's 379. Okay. Yeah, Xenon, but I don't want like I'm not going to use Xenon to do testing. Yeah, I don't like what I'm seeing. Yeah, mocks. Yeah, I don't want to write mocks. Wait a second. Yeah, just mock. Don't do that. I don't see it. Do you see it, Alevo? I really want it to be like that. Like, doesn't seem to be. Do you know any other tool like this? Packages, Inquirer. Okay. So here, what is doing testing? So there is a module called Inquirer Testing. But is this documented anywhere? Okay, so this is Inquirer Testing. Okay, Inquirer Testing utility. Seems cool. Okay, and we get this blog. Render. Okay. Yeah, it seems maybe. Now, how do I use this? Test prompt. Tested prompt. What is a tested prompt? Oh, it's this prompt. Yeah, but you see, this one, it's like prompt. So if I understand correctly, I should be able to pass to any given prompt in Inquirer undocumented, more or less, input parameter that is a mute stream, essentially, where I can just emit some event. So events key press, okay, and yeah, ChatGPT. I know very well how to using Redline. I really wanted something a little bit more than Redline, from core, but I don't know. It seems that we will need. I will, if I want to write tests, either I will need to add something around this, which might be doable, to be honest. Okay, let me see. So if I go back into the README and Inquirer, so is core Inquirer? Is core, no, this is Inquirer core. So this is Inquirer, okay? And Inquirer.js. So these are all the prompts. Register prompts and prompt name prompt, okay? So I don't know, I might be able to test it after all. Okay. Let's see. First of all. Oh. Oh, yeah. Okay. Fine. So let's see. Cyclic dependencies. This failed. Why this failed? Oh, it did fail because it didn't work. What? Do we still have that? No, we don't. Cyclic. Okay. If I take and run this, let's go back into this mess. So if I take run this in this project, wait a second. Let's see what that comes out at. Okay. npm install takes a long time. This comes out at 0. So these should pass. Why is this not passing? Okay. Let's do something like that. And here, so what we want is okay. We want and t out. Okay. Then we want cat out, grep cyclic, dev null. Okay. Then test. Okay. Let's try this. Okay. Okay. We'll see how that goes. In the meanwhile, ask the user, why did this fail? Which one did it fail? Oh, these failed. Which one? Likely it's something stupid. Yep, one of our flaky tests, which we'll need to investigate, but for now, rerun again. Okay. So yeah, I could use Redline from Node Core, but if I did that, I would be losing a lot of facilities, right? Or maybe not. Let me see. So in Redline, we only have, prompt. We don't have the list concept. We are missing a lot of stuff. Like I like Inquirer. Seems a good job, a good library, but let's scavenge npm. So Inquirer, what are the tag of Inquirer? Yay. So create prompt module. There is a constructor. Haha. Create prompt module. Okay. New prompt opt. Okay, so a prompt. So what is a prompt? And if I go inside this, what is a prompt? This it's does it take an input stream? RL. What is RL? What the a red line. Oh. Cool. Okay, so prompt opt. Okay. So I'm opening up this and Yeah, maybe. Like, I think this is testable. I'm just very uncomfortable in. Uh, Look, the answer from the author is, "Hey, hello, hey, AD Diablo HD, hello, how are you doing? What are you doing? You're doing Diablo 3 or Diablo 4? What are you doing? Oh, hello. Oh, people. Oh, it's somebody in Italian, I think. I see some Italian chats from them. Hello. Hey. Cool. Anyway, here we go. Look, I don't um it's yeah, git grab in this repo. Lib is undocumented and now part of the rewrite effort. Oh, yay. Nice to meet you. Okay. Okay. So basically, they're kind of doing it, but slowly, and they're kind of making it testable. Okay. This leaves me a little bit more faith in this stuff. Might be another stream though, because it's a little bit late, but let's see how our PRs are doing. This failed again. Okay. Okay. Cyclic. Okay, this is the only cyclic. So if it's not equal 0, sorry, just a second. Okay. And test. Okay. So here, if these that did not have, it's returning. And let's do production. Oh, haha. Okay. So I need to do that. Maybe. Ah, it's long trial and error. And let's look at this one. This is the test of these are running. Takes forever, really, like Windows leak, literally. Oh yeah, this is pnpm install. Haha. In theory, it's fast. In practice, it's not. This is close to be passing, I think. Oh, thank you. Ah, this is even better. Whoa, this is cool. Nice level. So I can technically, yeah, this is even, look, contains cyclic. This is even better. Yeah. And I just need to add an ID. Do we have an ID here? Is there a naming steps? I want the look. I have it somewhere else, so I'm doing the scalable Q system vim. Yeah, here we have an ID. ID, yeah, you can use ID. Okay. So, okay, so ID install. Okay, let's see how it worked. It was doing. Yeah, but so here the problem in this one, how can I get that wall value? Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I can just put it. Yeah, but I just want to. Yeah, I don't like this though. No, because how can how can I get the output of the previous step? Sorry. Output test. Set output. Yes. So I need to, if I run this, I need to get this name. Instead, I want the metadata syntax. Okay. Yeah, I can't really get it. Okay, now this is not, this won't work. Nope. Okay. So, okay. So we can set the output. Okay. 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 So we can do that. And it's, so what we need is echo. Okay. So echo. Okay. And so this is, I need to use a subshell. Okay. Okay. So we have this subshell. So, and let's call it pm output equals. Okay. And we want to redirect this into GitHub output. Okay. Secret dependency. Okay. Then well, technically, let's do something funnier. Okay. I am going to tweak this one. So I can, okay. So I need to do ampersand and it's true. Let's do this trick. Okay. Then I do this t out. Then I can do this. Okay. And here is just echo out. Then I need to come back here and just copy this bit and yeah, cut out. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, and then I just do my secret dependency check. Okay, and this is pm output. This is cyclic, and in this case is exit one. Ooh. And here it's id install. Okay. This seems fun. Let's see what these things it is, but did I did something odd? Dreamus, did I made some mistake? You put some, if it works, it's dark magic, it's not just magic. Oh, yeah, true. Yeah, okay. Okay, try again. Okay. Let's go back. Oh, bye-bye, Tommaso. I need to go to very soon, so this is almost past. As usual, Windows is incredibly, utterly slow, like over anything. Consider that it took 7 minutes and 49 seconds to do npm install. Like, it's unbelievable. Okay, these will pass, so I'm very confident. Now, this is the only one that's left. Look, I like when we yank features. So so let's see. Okay. Takes forever. So, folks, I am going to go for dinner. This seems to take a long time to run. And despite me wanting to be very happy and have the things done, I really don't want to wait. So, yay. One passed, one to go. Okay. Yeah, look, I don't have pizza tonight. We have some salmon, so no, bought some salmon for tonight. By the way, this is a good PR. It has a nice 9,000 lines of code added, so I'm still fighting it. So, yeah. This is the work for tomorrow. Cool, folks. Thank you for joining again as usual, and see you next time. Bye bye. Where is it? Okay. Bye.